Hi everyone. Today we are going to study a very interesting poem written by James Patrick Kenney. The name of the poem is The Cold Within. James Patrick Kenney was an American famous poet who had written so many poems. In this poem, he described a group of 6 persons who stand around a fire, each holding a log of wood, but their selfishness, prejudice against each other, did not want them to share the log of wood to fuel the dying fire and keeps each other warm. So they did not give their log of wood to save each other, and at last they all died because of their caste, color, religion, discrimination. Let's start the poem. 6 humans trapped by happenstance in bleak and bitter cold, each one possessed a stick of wood, or so the story is told. Means 6 humans were trapped by happenstance. By mistake they were trapped in a chill cold, and they all were having a stick of wood. One stick of wood were each of them were having, or so the story is told. Their dying fire in need of logs, but the first one held hers back. For of the faces round the fire, she noticed one was black. In front of them there was a fire, and they were sitting around the fire, and each one was having a log of wood. But the first one was a lady. She was a white lady. Because of racial discrimination, she did not give a log of wood of hers, because she noticed that the one sitting among them is a black. Then the next man was a very religious discrimination he was having. He saw that the one sitting among them is not of his church, so he refused to give the stick of wood to warm him. The third one sat in tattered clothes. He gave his coat a hitch. Why should his log be put to use to warm the idle rich? The third one was a poor man. He was sitting in rag clothes. Clothes means old clothes. He was very poor. He saw that they all sitting around him as a rich man, is a rich woman or man. So he gave his coat a tight hitch. So this a hitch means here is a bitterness over here, used for a rich person. He was having a discrimination of richness and poorness. The rich man just sat back and thought of the wealth he had in store, and how to keep what he had earned from the lazy, shiftless poor. The next man was a rich man. He was only sitting and thinking about the money he is having in the store, and how could he earn more and save his money from the lazy, shiftless poor. He was a very miserly man. He was a very miserly man. Rich man was a very miserly man. The next man is a black man. The black man's face bespoke revenge as the fire passed from his side. For all he saw in his stick of wood was a chance to spite the white. The next man was a black man who was having a thought in his mind to take the revenge from white. So he refuses to give a stick of wood to warm himself or others, because he wants to take revenge from him or her. The last man of this forlorn group did not accept for gain, giving only to those who gave was how he played the game. The last man was a man who gave only to those who gave him things. His game was played like this. He was the last person of this lonely group, because in this group so many people are there, but they all are lazy, lonely, and all were having a prejudice against each other. The logs held tight in Death's still hands was proof of human sin. They did not die from the cold without, they died from the cold within. At last, the end came, and they all died because of their miserliness, prejudice against each other. They all want to take revenge from each other. They didn't die from the cold, bitter winter, but from the feelings lacking in them. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, comment, and share my video with each other. Thank you.